Alrighty, good morning. You saw my night test. Now we're going to do a daytime test. Once again, we're shooting at 2.7K, 30 frames per second. Field of view wide and stabilization on. Let's go for a ride, shall we? Now we're going to go up over the gravel road and see how it works, the stabilization. I'm going to guess it's going to be pretty good, but you be the judge. Here we go.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality. 'Cause you and me are meant to be what they don't see. Never feeling wrong 'cause we don't belong. And getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible.
Alright, so that was our daytime drive test. We did a little smooth road and we did some gravel roads. So hopefully you liked the video. Once again, this is with the GoPro7 2.7K, 30 frames per second. Field of view is wide and the stabilization is on. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, leave a comment and a thumbs up. Have a great day, everybody.
We're invincible.